stammer, stammer, stammer.
Okay, stammer. Okay, talk. Starter. Can I go like that? Stammer. Okay. You have got a great idea. He stammered, but I couldn't quite to see the setting you describe it as a land if of frozen ice. But no one, none of the characters seem cold or are wearing any winter clothes. It doesn't really match. But they are used to bring cold. Yeah, they are used to being cold. They get used to it. They don't. They hesitated. Hesitated means you are thinking about something. You're not 100% sure. Hesitate. Hesitate, you see? Like that. Yeah, he's thinking about it. Okay, hesitate. What's that? Stammer. Okay. The stammer.
Stammer.
Okay, can I spell it? S-T-A-M-M-E-R. Stammer. Okay.
Hesitate.
Stop briefly before you do something, especially because you are nervous or unsure about what to do. Okay.
Hesitate.
Okay. She hesitated and waited for her friend to say something. Okay.
Hesitate.
Can spell
Hesitate.
Hesitate. Okay, yeah, they use wait. Uncertainty. Okay, sure, uncertainty. I'm not very sure. That's why you have pause. Yeah, what's that? Pause.
Hesitate.
Okay, hesitate. Okay, but they are used to getting. They are used to being cold. They don't. Hesitated. She realized that if Homer
didn't understand the judges might not neither
Either. Actually. Really. Okay, actually.
You might be right. She made changes to her story when the contest results were
Good.
posted.
Yeah, posted on the wall or posted on some place. Layla.
Ran to show Oma her prize. The judges said, my setting left felt so Oma real when they read it.
When they're ready, let go.
They needed a hot chocolate to warm up.
Okay. That means it's really cold, right? When they read it, they feel really cold. So they need a hot chocolate to warm up. So they say, oh, your story is so real. It makes me to feel cold. I need some hot chocolate to warm up. Okay.
Which of the five statements best describes the main theme or lesson of the story? It is best not to compete.
No, it's not complete. Compete contest. Complete. Okay, complete. Finish something. Compete. You see? Compete. You see, that's L here, right? Complete. Compete. What's this?
hesitate, hesitate, hesitate,
Complete. Complete.
Complete. Complete. Complete.
Get something finished.
Complete.
Okay. Finish something. Okay. Bring something to the end.
Complete.
Okay. Do you see there's L here? Okay, let's see one.
Complete. 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 Complete.
Okay, now I remove the L. Okay.
Compete.
Compete.
Compete. Compete. Compete. Compete.
No. Compete. Compete. P. Say P.
Compete. Compete.
Say it.
Compete. 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 Compete.
Say it again.
Compete. compete,
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 Okay.
to try to get or when something set.
Okay. Okay. Compete. Yeah. Race.
Race.
Okay. Race. Compete against someone. Okay.
compete,
Compete,
Okay.
complete,
Good.
compete,
Good.
complete, compete, complete, compete, complete, compete,
Good. Compete. Compete. Okay. Come race. Let's do this one. Okay. It is best not to
compete against friends. It is always a good idea to use your imagination.
good.
It is important to
Be
open to this area ideas of others.
okay. So which one? Which one you learn?
This one,
Okay. Can select it.
select it, select it.
No. Let's read it. This story. Okay. Let's read it.
It is
Okay, let's read.
which of the following statement best describes the main theme or lesson of the story.
Okay.
It is best not to compete against friends. It is always a good idea to use your imagination. It is important to be open to the ideas of others.
Okay. So which one?
This one.
Okay. So he listened to the friend Omar, right? Omar said, "Oh, the setting is not right." Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. He said, "Read it." Okay. Let's.
Select the text that best supports the theme that is it is important to be open to the ideas of the others.
Okay. Do you know which one shows it needed? Let's read it.
You have got a great idea. He
Stammered.
but I couldn't quite see the setting. You describe it as a land of frozen ice, but
None.
none of the characters seem cold or are wearing any winter clothes. It doesn't really match, but
Okay.
they are used to bring cold. They don't.
Layla.
Lena hesitated. She realized if Oma didn't understand the judge's might not, neither.